guys, so before you jump into this video, I want to let you know that I had some sound issue in my intro. Probably forgot to turn on the mics and the receiver, so I did some filming, made a normal intro like I used to do, but the videos didn't have the sound file with them, so I'm here a week later recording a new intro in the workshop. So what I'm basically doing in this video is creating access points on the big field at our carrot farm. It only has one and it's 400 meters long, so I need to create 3 more. I still haven't received the pipes. They are 40 centimeters thick, 6 meters long, so we are waiting for those. Meanwhile, I'll start to bring some soil as a fill mass, so we can have on top of the pipes. Wow, it's really hard to remember what I actually said in the actual intro, but you see me first to move the excavator and the tractor and trailers, start to load it. And also I put the tilt rotator back on my digger, so it's easier to load. All right, enjoy the video, guys. Thanks for your understandings regarding my sound issue. Okay, first load loaded. Now let's hit the road and find a suitable place to dump it and come back and do exactly the same one more time. Okay, so we want to replace this bridge with something that is a little bit stronger. I have some soil just there. So I think I'm going to dump this load here. Then I had another bridge 250 meters in front of me that I'm going to do the same with. So you see I need quite some loads with soil, roots, whatever. So here is the other bridge. It's staying in line with this dirt track. Then I want to make one more point up there, and the same on the other side, so we can reach the other field too. Only had one access point. So I have one access point 50 meters in front of me. It's made out of soil. So when we make these 3 ones, you can make it much easier for us when we harvest, because this field is 400 meters. Alright, so I made it through, loaded and dumped 5 loads yesterday. The weather was just awful, but today is the next day and it seems like it's better now. Still a little bit windy, but the rain has stopped. So I'm heading over to my excavator now to move position and try to load some of the dumps that I have behind these trees. It contains some more roots, but we'll see and try if I can load it with a flat bucket. Okay, so first load loaded for the day. Now I'm going to dump it. Then I'm going to check the carrot field that we're harvesting on now and see if it's okay to drive there. My mother called from the packing magazine and she said she needs a few more boxes, so we'll go and check on the conditions and probably have to harvest. Okay, so it seems like it's okay to harvest today. It's obviously a little bit squeezy, but I think it's okay. A little bit on the access point or the exit point, maybe from this angle. So I think I will bring one guy over here and we will try to harvest 5, 6, 7, 8 boxes. So the guy will come soon. Seems like we need to harvest 10 boxes and we are only 2 persons, so it will take a little bit longer than expected, but no problem.
Make a movie, a video with me when I'm on the track, on the fence, on the they will laugh about me.
I don't see anything. All right, so another 10 boxes off the ground. That means we have come to a total of 48 boxes, which is roughly around 40 tons. And I still expect us to harvest at least 30 more boxes. All right, so job done. Now we'll jump back into the 516 and take these boxes back to the magazine, bring back empty boxes for next time, and go home, grab some lunch, and continue my work. Lunch consumed. I'm back at my loading spot, so ready to load the second load of the day. So I will put you up somewhere so you can watch everything in a time lapse. so I got one more load to do. Hopefully I'm able to squeeze all that into the trailer, and then I will have to move position again. Most likely I will take my excavator on the machine trailer that's sitting behind that tree up to the main farm, and I need to load 6, 7, 8 loads of soil from there too. Hopefully it's enough with 4 loads on each access point, and but if not, I will have to go and bring some more, but that will be from the main farm, as I said. So yep, that will be pretty much everything I have for you in this video. I will make 2 videos, I think, of this, because I'm still waiting on the pipes, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Be sure to check all of my other videos, and be sure you follow me on Instagram.